Hey there, I'm Brad with General RV. We're here today to give you the first look at the brand new 2022 Thor Motor Coach Magnitude XG32. Let's take a look. This Thor Magnitude sleeps and seats 6 people with an overall length of 33 feet and 8 inches. This Super C is built on the Ford F550 chassis with the Ford 6.7 liter Power Stroke V8 turbo motor, and it's also got 4x4. This powerful Super C has a 7-pin connector for your trailer and tows up to 10,000 pounds. When it comes to outdoor entertainment, this one is packed with a 32-inch flat screen TV with a built-in soundbar. Stepping up into the cab, we have an 8-inch touchscreen with Sync 3 technology as well as enhanced voice recognition. Stepping up in the living space, we have 2 theater recliners, and then to the other side, we've got a dinette with a fold-down table and a 39-inch flat screen TV. Really another great feature about the dinette here is the wonderful storage that's underneath. Pull out his pull-out drawer. Then moving over to the other side here, we've got another great feature, which is this child safety seat anchor, equipped for 1 seat. Coming into the kitchen, we've got a double bowl stainless steel sink, a double burner gas stove, an induction cooktop. Above us, we've got a convection microwave. And then for that little bit of added convenience, we've got a 3-plug receptacle. And then over here, we have our residential fridge with top freezer and bottom refrigerator. Stepping into the bathroom, we've got a porcelain bowl toilet with a foot flush, a stainless steel sink, a mirror vanity with built-in storage, and then we have a stand-up shower with an overhead skylight. Coming into the bedroom here, we've got a queen-size bed, as well as underneath we've got a 110 outlet for a CPAP machine, and then we've got dual USB outlets on each side of the bed. To the other side of the bedroom, we have a TV wardrobe with an integrated entertainment system, with a nice flat screen TV, as well as plenty of storage. Thanks for joining us for this first look at the brand new 2022 Thor Magnitude XG32. For more questions, visit generalrv.com or visit one of your local supercenters.